everybody, Kayla here with MyGeorgia Credit Union, and today I am chatting with David Daniel, who is our VP of Lending.
Hello, everyone.
Today, David, I think we should talk about building credit, the ins and the outs of what you should do, what you shouldn't do, what services we offer to help them build their credit.
Absolutely. So a lot of times we'll have a member to come to us that has no credit history at all. So we have some ways that we can benefit that member in helping establish their credit. So you probably heard scenarios where someone says to go get a credit card, and let's say you get a credit card with $1,000 limit on it. Then the perception sometimes is I should spend all the way up to the $1,000 because that'll show the credit union that I'm able to make a monthly payment.
I have heard that, and it's so very wrong.
Exactly. It's kind of the opposite of that. So typically, if you go over 30% of what your over 30% of what your credit limit is with your outstanding balance, and it's going to have the opposite effect on your credit. So, for example, you had a $1,000 credit limit. If you kept the balance of over $300, then that could have a negative impact on your credit score.
Right.
So that's one thing. Another thing that we can do is we have a product called My Money Line. And that's really for someone that hasn't established their credit already, and it works as a personal line of credit. Which what that means is, as opposed to coming in and borrowing, let's say $1,000 at one time and making a monthly payment every month until it's paid off, a line of credit kind of lets you be your own financial manager because it's an open-ended line of credit, so you can pay it up and down as you see fit. You have to make a minimum monthly payment, but it's also tied to our checking account. It's a great product that we offer, and that's for someone too that hasn't really established their credit yet. So that's a good.
And they can find more information on our website.
Absolutely, it's under the loan section on our website.
Awesome.
It does.
Awesome.
And then another scenario that we could offer to someone that is just starting out their credit is a secured credit card or secured installment loan. And what those are would be where, let's say you have $500 that you're not using, and you can put that into an account, and we put a hold on those funds and use those funds as collateral for the money that you're borrowing. So you don't have to have credit. Or you could even be reestablishing your credit to do that scenario where we hold the funds, and then when you pay the money back, then those funds are re-released to you. So you're not spending money, but you're just using your money to help build your credit. So that's another good option, and that's for a share secured loan or a share secured credit card would operate the same way.
So those are some really good options to build your credit, because everything that you do, whether it's your car insurance or anything, it relies on your credit.
Yeah, that's right. People a lot of times don't realize that so much of what you pay for other services are tied to your credit score. So it's a very important piece of your credit picture overall. And we're certainly happy to help counsel people to how to build their credit from scratch, or for someone that already has established credit, but they're trying to move it to the next level. We can show you tips and techniques to help build your credit score.
That's awesome.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, hopefully that was very helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching.